How to unlock the lock screen with VoiceOver on the iPhone 16 series. Now, if you have accidentally turned on VoiceOver and now you're on the lock screen, you can use Siri to turn off VoiceOver. So press on the side button and ask Siri, turn off VoiceOver.
Okay, I turned VoiceOver off.
So once VoiceOver is off, you can enter your passcode as normal and gain access to your lock screen. Now, if you do not have Siri turned on, then you have to manually key in the passcode or the PIN. So here, I will turn back on VoiceOver. Turn on VoiceOver.
Okay, VoiceOver is now on.
Okay, so what you want to do is from your lock screen, you want to swipe up at the bottom and hold for a second or two until you feel the vibration. This will bring up the keypad. So here, swipe up and hold. Once you feel the vibration, just let go of your finger. Okay, so here, if the the voiceover speech is annoying, you can lower down the volume, or you can turn off speech on by using three fingers and either double tap or triple tap.
Speech off.
So you can turn on or turn off speech.
Speech on.
And okay, so once it is off, so I have to triple tap. 1, 2, 3.
Speech off.
Alright, so now to enter the passcode, simply tap on the number here. So let's say number 1, I tap on it. And then double tap to select. So 1, and my passcode is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll select 2, then double tap. Now I select number 3, and then I double tap to enter the data. And then I select number 4. Next, double tap number 4, and now my phone is unlocked. Okay, once it is unlocked, if you want to turn off VoiceOver, you select on settings. If the settings is not on your home screen, you can use three fingers like this to swipe back and forth and locate settings. If not, you can go all the way to your app library. In app library, you can look for settings, or you can touch in the text search text box here, then double tap, and then on the keyboard you put in settings. So tap on it once and then double tap, then tap on E, double tap, and here we got settings. So you tap on that, then double tap. Okay, so once you are in settings, we're going to scroll down again, use three fingers. So first bring the focus into your menu items, and then we use three fingers to swipe up to go down to the next items. In here, tap on accessibility, then double tap, then tap on voiceover, and then double tap, then double tap on voiceover to switch it off. Okay, so that is much longer. If you have Siri turned on, you could use Siri to ask Siri to switch off voiceover, which is a lot easier. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.